I imagine there's somebody out there who is trying to figure out how to use a modern drive-by-wire type accelerator pedal in their project, similar to what I'm doing. And it seems like I can't find a lot of information out there, and so I thought I'd create this video and show you what I've done to figure out what all these wires are coming out of this accelerator pedal. Accelerator pedal has 6 wires coming out of it. This one comes out of a Corvette, and so I was so overjoyed to see that all the wires are the same color. Real helpful. So anyway, I did determine that you need a source voltage, and also found out that there's probably 2 position sensors built into this guy for redundancy. So I've just figured out the first one, and I'm working on the second one. And to save you some time, this is the right configuration, which is the sense wire is here at the top. The next one down is the supply voltage wire. I'm using 2 volts because that's what my scope can put out for testing. The Haltech can supply 5, which is what Corvette uses. And the third one down is the ground. And then the next 3 down are the same. Whereas this one here, I probably can't see which one. The next one down is the sense wire, and then the supply voltage is the next one after that, and then the bottom one here is the ground. So 2 sensors in there. And so anyway, I have this little Pico Scope, which is a pretty cool miniature oscilloscope that you can use with your laptop for display purposes, and it works pretty neat. I'm using this channel here to output the voltage. I'm just using a 2-volt DC output for this test, and then I just got 1 scope probe. And so I'll show you what it looks like. This is the interface for the PicoScope, and there's a bunch of faults triggering going on, but that's not going to mess up this video. So anyway, I'm going to floor it. Now, I guess you didn't see that. I'm going to floor it now. You can see the voltage go from about 300 millivolts to about 800, and then when I release the throttle, it goes from 800 back to 300. And then, you know, of course, anything in between, I can play around with it and see how the thing works. So basically, with a 2-volt supply to the sensor, it dithers between well, we'll just say roughly 300 millivolts. Looks like it's closer to 250. I'll get the exact number at some point, to somewhere around 800 millivolts. Anyway, I hope this is helpful to someone. It's been kind of fun to set this up, figure it out, but just time consuming. Maybe this will save someone a little bit of time. So as I'm going through, I'm just labeling the wires, so then I can hook them up to the controller, and one of these days make this thing run again. Okay, thanks for watching.